Hi viewers, I hope you all are doing fine. So today we will calculate the sums related to the topic mental addition. I will show you easy trick to add any long digit number, any short digit number in few seconds. So our first question here is 69 plus 85. The first step is you have to split 69 and 85. We'll split each number. So 69, how will we split? 60 plus 9 gives you 69, right? Now we'll split 85. 80 plus 5 gives you 85. So here we will add 0. 6 plus 8 gives you 14. Plus 9 plus 5 gives you 14. So 140 plus 14 gives you the final answer as 154 here. Now 36 plus 78 will split 36. 30 plus 6, 78. 70 plus 8. Add it 0. 7 plus 3 gives you 10. Plus 6 plus 8 gives you 14. 100 plus 14 is 114 is our final answer here. So now we did 2-digit number addition. Now here we'll come to 3-digit number addition. So there are two types to add 3-digit number. The first type is, see, we will split 454 here. Easy. This is 4, right? Put 4 as it is. After 4 you have 2 digits here. So we'll put 2 zeros here. Now plus. We are done with 4. Now let's come to 5. 5, right? 5 as it is. After 5 we have 1 digit. So 1 digit means 1 0. Put here 1 0 plus 4. After 4 you don't have any digits. So write here as it is 4. Here 3. Put here 3. After 3 there are two digits, right? So 2 zeros here. 300 plus. After 2 you have 1 digit. So 1 0 plus 8. So here 400 plus 300 gives you 700, right? Plus 50 plus 20 gives you 70. 8 plus 4 gives you 12. So 700 plus 70 plus 12 gives you the final answer as 782. Simple. Here 846 plus 532. The easy next type of addition is, see, 846, right? So you will split 8. After 8 you have 2 digits. 800. After that you will not split this 46. You can write as it is 46 as it is. You can write here 532. You put here 500 and 32 as it is. See, you can add in this way also by splitting in 3 terms. Here you can split it in 2 terms also. It's okay. Both the methods are easy and both is applicable in mental addition. So 800 plus 500 gives you 1300. 46 plus 32 gives you 78. So 1300 plus 78 gives you the final answer as 1378 is our answer here. So 385 plus 496. See, you can add it in this way also, but the other easiest way to add this is, see, 385 plus 496. You will round the number, rounding off, no? Rounding off. See, 385 you can round it, it is nearest to 400, but to round it to 400 you have to add how many digits, how many number? 15. 15. If you add 15 you will get 400 here, but here if you add 4 you will get 500. So which is closest here? It is 400. This number is closest to 500. So why not to round off this number only? So let us round off 496 to 500. So 385 will write as it is 385. See, 496 plus 4 gives you 500. So let us make it as 500 and first add it, okay? So 385 plus 500 gives you the answer as 885, right? 5, 8 and 885. So after adding you will get 885. How many digits did you add to make this 500? 4 digits. So you will subtract it with 4. So 885 minus 4 gives you the answer as 881. So our final answer is 881 is our final answer. We'll do the same method in this also. 436 plus 699. Okay, which is closest? Which number can we round off? Obviously 699, because if we add 1 to 699 you will get 700. So let us round off 699 itself. 436 add as it is. 699 plus 1 gives you 700, right? Put here 700. After 436 plus 700 you will add, you will get the answer as 1136 you'll get the answer. Now you added 1 to 699 and you got 700, right? Now you added 1, so you will subtract 1 itself from 1136, so you'll get the answer as 1135 is our final answer. So 1135 is our final answer. So we'll wind up the session here itself. Thank you for watching my video. I hope you all found it helpful. Please subscribe, like, share, comment my channel.